Starbucks, welcome to the Computex 2026 here in Taipei at the FATEC booth. So I'm here to introduce another cool solution, our stainless steel. This is actually our first time we're showing the 21.5. You might have seen the 10.1 inch before, but now we have actually three sizes available. So we have a 15.6 inch, 10.1 inch and a 21.5 inch. We have this one is IP69K, so it's water dust proof. It also has the water and dust proof connector, so it has the IP69K connectors, which you can seal off. And also we have the little blockers. So if you don't use the connectors, you can block them anyway with a gummy sealing. And so the cool thing is that it can be used in an outdoor environment. So this is currently we're running a Windows PC. We also have it as an Android. So this is Intel based. We also have ARM based. And we also have it as a monitor version. And the cool thing again is you can use it outdoor. So it's water dust proof, optical bonding, high brightness. It can be installed especially for industrial kitchens or restaurant kitchens even, where they need to, wash it completely off with a very high pressure hot water spray. No problem, it still works. It's also resistant to, for sure, humidity, dust, all the basic things that we offer with optical bonding. And for sure it's, capacitive touch. So you can.
Is it one of the ultimate in terms of quality of the optical bonding?
Yes, exactly. So this is, especially with high brightness, you can really see how well the optical bonding works. And normally these are used mostly indoors, but you can also use them outdoors, no problem. It survives even, the UV, IR, the outdoor sun rays. So it's able to just withstand the elements, basically. So yeah, this is our 21.5 inch, but we also have, like I said, 15.6, 10.1, and we also have them in IP65. So these are actually currently IP69 connectors, but IP65 is a bit different, where we have a gummy sealing and you can still use the standard connectors. So they go through the gummy sealing and it's completely IP65 proof. So yeah, I think last time you saw it in a fish tank, maybe next time we'll have it in a fish tank again. This one was a bit too big for the fish tank, but yeah, I think everybody...
It's speaker?
Yeah, it also has a speaker as well, for sure, yeah.
Even with the weather sealing and everything?
Exactly, yeah. Exactly, and still waterproof. Yeah, thank you.